In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contacts on Brevo. This is a useful thing to know when you need a backup of your contact list, want to share contacts with another tool, or simply want an offline copy for reporting and record keeping. I will walk you through the exact clicks, and I will also point out a few small details so the export goes smoothly. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the left sidebar navigation. From there, click CRM. This takes you into the area where Brevo organizes customer information, including your saved contacts. Next, select Contacts. Once you are on the Contacts page, you should see your list of contacts in a table. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct list before exporting. If your list is long, the page may take an extra second to load, so wait until the table is fully visible. Now select your contacts for export by checking the top checkbox in the table. This top checkbox is the Select All option. When you check it, Brevo marks all contacts in the list for the export action. If you see the selection indicator change, that is a good sign that everything is selected. With all contacts selected, look for the option labeled More Actions. Click More Actions to open the available tools you can apply to the selected contacts. From the menu, choose Export. This will open the export panel on the side of the screen where Brevo prepares the file for you. In that sidebar, click Start Export. After you start the export, give Brevo a moment to generate the file. The time it takes can vary depending on how many contacts you have. Once the export is ready, go to the top right of the screen and click the bell icon. This is where Brevo posts notifications, including completed exports. Find the export notification and download the file from there. Save it somewhere you can easily find later, and consider using a clear file name so you know it came from Brevo and includes contacts. And that covers everything you need to know.